Hello world, this is Randomfix, and today I'm going to show you how you can tell the age of your Varta battery. These a lot of times come on Mercedes Benzes, and it's a little confusing because you don't actually know how to tell the age. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And I got this battery here. This is a little bit of an older battery that I've had for a while. So whenever you're trying to tell when your battery was actually made, what you want to do is you want to look at the negative terminal, and this is my negative terminal here. And as you can see here on the terminal, it says 1811. So this battery is actually made on the 18th month of 2011, and this makes it really easy to tell on the condition of the battery and if it needs to be replaced possibly or not. So this is my 12-volt interstate battery, and underneath this guy they actually have a little calendar, and you'll see that punched out. And one thing you want to keep in mind is there's so many different ways. Sometimes they actually have it engraved into the casing and you got to decode it. So you definitely want to keep that in mind and figure out how old your battery is, and that will give you a good idea on the possible condition of it and how you can better maintain it. Comes down to batteries, guys. This is probably the coolest tool I've actually come across for the money. It's under 20 bucks. It's a load tester, test your charging system, and is unbeatable for the value. So definitely check this out in the links below, and I'll have a link to other videos on actually how to use this and what this little device actually does for you. Alright guys, I really hope the video helps you guys out. If you have any comments or questions about batteries and their age, please leave them in the comment box below. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe and smash out that notification button. And thanks again for watching, and I'll have links to any tools or anything else that I used in the video as well. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.